Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can convert Pakistani rupees into British pounds using Wise. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and log into your account. Once you're inside, head over to the Balances section on your home screen. If you haven't already, create a GBP balance by clicking Open a Balance and selecting British Pound. This will allow you to store and manage GBP in your account. Now, go to your PKR balance or choose to send money from your Pakistani bank account. Select the Convert option, then choose GBP as the currency you want to convert into. Enter the amount in Pakistani Rupees. Wise will instantly show you the live exchange rate, the small fee, and the final amount of pounds you'll receive. Once you review everything, just click Convert to confirm. The money will be available immediately in your GBP balance. From there, you can keep it, spend it with your Wise card, or transfer it to any UK bank account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.